All right, for this part of the lesson, I'm going to show you some of the forms that I've used. I've worked on it and used it already. So the first one is the exit tickets. The exit tickets, by the way, teachers, you need to make one like this because every single time that you finish classes each day, you have to send this and have your kids answer the questions for this form. This will be a summary for the day's work, what they've learned for the day, what they find most interesting for the day, and what questions they still have in their hands, so that the children will develop their ability to answer questions and really think back on the things that they've been doing for the day. So this is how it looks like. And then we will try to check. If you want to go back to the main page, see this one? It's the home page for the forms. You just have to click it and you're back. There you go. All right. Now, like I said, you can toggle between two Google Forms pages from different email addresses you use. So, another form that I have that I used for my dissertation is the interview form for all the respondents. And this is intended actually for the respondents outside the country, specifically in the US. So this is the form that I sent to all the respondents in the US, which they were supposed to answer it and send back to me. But this is right now on hold for some checking. And this is 7 pages. And then if you see right here, that's the question, and on the right side is the responses, and you see the number two, it means to say that there are two responses here, but these are only sample responses, which I did just to check if this form works. Now, if you want to check this, how it looks like from the user's end, it looks like this. See that one? So at the end of the page, it says next. But notice how there are red asterisks on some boxes right there, which means that these questions are really need to be answered. Because if you don't answer that one, if the respondent don't answer that one and they click next, it's not going to make them through. See? They need to go back and really answer those pages. Okay? So because I need to fill this up and I don't want to do that because it will reflect on the response and that will not give me the right statistics. So let's just leave it that way. Let me just close this one. Let's go check the responses. If, for example, this one received all the responses, it will look like this. There's a pie chart, and sometimes it shows you a bar chart. There you go. It in this question, it asks how many males and how many females. What is nice about this because it's visual, so it's very easy to the eyes. See, and right here, it just all gibberish because it's just a sample answering. All right, and then when you want to go back again, you just have to click this on the left side, and you're back on the home page for the forms. Now let me just lead you to the other um, forms that I have right here. This is the one that we used during the parent-teacher conference. That one right here, and this is for Medina. Now watch this. These are real answers, legitimate answers. So let's go try to check it. There are 14 people that responded to this, and it will show you on the. There are three categories that you can watch or check: the summary, the question section, and the individual. When you say summary, all the answers for the 5 questions will be seen in one page. All right, right here, this shows us the bar of how many people have registered for each category. Now, if you try to go to the questions, and we will have here the numbers, it will show up here. How many questions do you have? So I have 5 questions, and this page shows me the first page answers. So there you go. If we click that button right there, it goes to the second question, of which it asks, what's your child's name? The third one is the birthday of the parents, and then the messenger ID. And this one is very interesting. See, this is the time that they choose to be in. If you see right here, these are the number of responses that we have. And right there, you will see who responded to what. And if you check it further, it gives you the detail of whoever that person is. So this is really quite cool because it gives you real-time answers. All right. Now, if for example you're here, okay, let's just try this one. Okay, you went into preview mode, right? No, you don't see any button that you can click for back. So what you can do is just erase this one, leave it at docs.google.com.forms, and then you just press enter, and you're back on the homepage for the forms. All right. So I hope that you will be able to make a very good, different kinds of forms, rather, not only app, but many forms that you'll be using for your classes. You can actually do some quizzes here, right here, or you want to have some, okay, quizzes. And then you have, um, if you have evaluation, which of course you will have, you also have what else? Worksheets and assessment. It's a lot right here. So just explore on it, okay?